nice. So nice to get the belly rub. Yeah. Yeah.
This segment brought to you by Mike Murphy, the Maritime's accident lawyer.
No biting. Ow!
Well, Maritimers are currently captivated by the success story of one of our own as Matea Roach cleans up on Jeopardy. If you're not following her journey, why not? She has won 20 consecutive games. She joins us from Toronto, heading
Oh,
into
look at
game
that belly.
21. That's coming up. At
Ow!
what point, Matea, did you recognize this as going from a novelty to something that you're thinking, hey, I can do something really special here?
I think that while I was